Today we are with Dennis McGraw of Beehive Homes as well as Dennis Tolan, and Dennis has a special award to present to Dennis McGraw.
Of all the homes in Utah, Dennis McGraw and his wife won the Best of Utah Valley for assisted living. We're really proud of him for this. So his homes in Spanish Fork and Payson and Salem got this award. So congratulations, Dennis.
I appreciate that, and on behalf of Beehive Homes, I gladly accept this. Thank you, Dennis. And thank you, Daily Herald, for that Best of Assisted Living.
You bet. Congratulations to the both.